Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid shorts, and you work on a cool vehicle to protect electronics. Once done, remove the dash trim using a trim pry and keep screws organized so you can reverse the process. Make sure to photograph each connector and label them. This saves time when reassembling. You'll also test fuses and inspect visible wiring now, because fixing a dashboard often begins with finding a simple blown fuse or loose plug. You move into systematic diagnosis. Verify fuse and relay function using a multimeter and trace voltage to the cluster. If a fuse blows repeatedly, inspect wiring, harness insulation, and connectors for shorts. Repair by cutting back to clean wire and soldering with shrink tubing to restore strength. Once done, focus on ground straps. Loose or corroded grounds are common causes. Clean and tighten them. Reseat the instrument cluster connectors firmly and replace any visibly damaged pins to restore reliable contact. You reconnect the battery and turn the ignition to confirm gauges and warning lights behave correctly before snapping everything back in place. If issues persist, plug in a diagnostic scanner to read and clear codes, then reproduce the fault to narrow the cause. Make sure to wiggle harnesses and move the steering wheel while watching for intermittent failures. This isolates loose connectors. Finally, apply a thin layer of dielectric grease to exposed connectors to prevent corrosion, and reassemble trim in reverse order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.